The rise of technology in the past few decades has enabled us to have access to information and data at our fingertips. This has revolutionized the way we interact with the world around us. However, with the rise of technology, we have also seen a rise in cybercrime. To combat this, organizations have been looking for ways to improve their security systems and protect their data. In recent years, machine learning has become a popular tool for cybersecurity. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers to learn from data and identify patterns. It enables systems to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time. By utilizing machine learning, organizations can quickly detect suspicious activity and respond accordingly. It is also able to detect and respond to previously unknown cyber threats, which is especially useful in the constantly evolving world of cybersecurity. Machine learning can be used in various ways to improve cybersecurity. For instance, machine learning algorithms can be used to detect malicious activities in networks. By analyzing large amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can identify anomalies that could indicate a potential attack. Machine learning can also be used to identify malicious software and prevent it from running. Additionally, machine learning can be used to detect and respond to spam emails, phishing attacks, and other forms of social engineering. The use of machine learning in cybersecurity is growing rapidly, and it is becoming increasingly important for organizations to understand and utilize this technology. By utilizing machine learning, organizations can ensure that their networks and data are secure and protected from cyber threats. The use of machine learning in cybersecurity is a great way for organizations to stay ahead of the curve and protect their data.